This is a video replacing the fuel filter. 2016 E250 4MATIC. Open the hood, remove the engine cover. There's the fuel filter right here. We'll undo these two clips. 1, 2. Undo these two clips. And unrelease the electrical connector. For the top clips, get a thin screwdriver, pry it open. Electrical connection, tab right down here. Push down, pull out the harness, and get a fatter screwdriver. Unrelease these clips. From the back. Just twist. Two are off. I'm going to push these hoses off with just a blunt object. They're on there pretty good. Make sure the hoses or clamps are loose. Push against the hose. I'm going to put the phone down while I push on that with two hands. The hoses are off. They took both hands to get off. Now this should just lift out, just like that. Put that to the side. And here's the new one. Everything that came with it from the Mercedes-Benz. New sensor, lines, bleeder hose. And there's the part number. 651-090-2852. It is a Mercedes part, but it's manufactured by MAN. Just drop it in the receptacle. Same orientation. I'll leave those clips loose until I get the hoses on. And then I'll fasten the wire harness till you hear it click. And I'll use two hands to put the hoses back on. I am reusing the factory clips. I was able to get one with just a pair of pliers, pushing it together, and it'll snap back into place with the proper tension. And now I'll just fasten these two clips, snapping in, two, and I'll tighten this clamp, and the job will be finished. Thank you.